Hi, my name is Alana Robbins, and I am here with Bryan Meyers, Director of invenioLSI's SuccessFactors SAP HCM Practice. Bryan, can you tell us a little bit about what it is that you do here at invenioLSI and your experience within your practice?
Sure. So I manage the consultants in the practice, and I consider myself a servant leader in that I also keep very close to each of those consultants on each of their projects and make sure that I am giving them the support that they need or uh, getting the support that they need.
Mm, absolutely. So today we have Bryan here with us to share some information about SAP SuccessFactors, but in particular EC Payroll. So let's dive right in. First things first, what is EC Payroll? What is its function? And is this a new product?
Sure. So I would say the newness is focused on the user experience, and
Mm,
that SAP has leveraged SuccessFactors so that the payroll user logs onto SuccessFactors. They navigate over to EC Payroll. They're presented with a cloud-based dashboard called the Payroll Control Center. And from there, the user can run end-to-end payroll from that dashboard. So as they are initiating each process of payroll, behind that dashboard are the existing SAP payroll programs.
mm.
And so those are tried and true. Thousands of customers are using those programs and live systems. On top of that, you have SAP hosting EC Payroll. So it's running at light speed. And so in the end, the payroll manager can take comfort in that their payroll will be timely and it'll be accurate.
Fantastic. So it sounds like the customer is getting best of both worlds with SuccessFactors and payroll.
That's right. That's right.
So is it true that EC Payroll can only be implemented with SuccessFactors? And can you expand a little bit more on that?
That's true. And so SAP is hosting EC Payroll, and it is designed to only accept incoming HR data from SuccessFactors as the core HR system of record.
Got it. Okay. So can you walk us through a standard integration between EC Payroll and SuccessFactors? How has this evolved over the years?
Sure. So as employee data is updated in SuccessFactors, whether it be a hire, separation, rehire, that data is interfaced over every 5 minutes from SuccessFactors to EC Payroll. They call it replication. And this replication has been developed and given very close attention for a decade now. And so it is a well-oiled machine. And so a payroll manager can take comfort in that the HR data that they need for payroll will be loaded to EC Payroll on a timely basis.
Okay. Why do you think that EC Payroll is a good fit for the public sector?
Well, I think it starts with the back end. So SuccessFactors, EC Payroll, as they're being processed, comes to an end in SAP Finance. And SAP Finance has been in the public sector space for such a long time and has mastered
Since the mid 90s.
designs. That's right, exactly. So they have mastered the design of public sector. So why not put that design on the front end, which is SuccessFactors, an EC payroll. So since you have your back end already so tailored to public sector, they just put it in the front end, which is SuccessFactors and EC payroll. So it's that SAP Finance that gives the HR product the advantage.
Yeah, I mean, and that is so many years of experience working in the public sector arena. I'm sure that there is just so many lessons learned from that.
That's very true.
Yeah. So last but not least, I want to talk a little bit about project success. Given your experience, Bryan, what can organizations do to better prepare for EC payroll? Who needs to be involved on the organization level? And how can we really ensure a successful go live?
So as I mentioned a moment ago, development and focus on SuccessFactors and EC Payroll development has now been going on for a decade. So the technology is very sound, and the ability to tailor it to an organization is very nimble. And so we really need the organization to buy in. Without the insight and expertise of, say, the payroll manager and the payroll manager's right-hand person, the technology can't be tailored without their insight. So it's certainly not a plug-and-play system, but the payroll experts, the payroll manager, they really need to come in and take ownership of the product, and then their knowledge and the technologies together, that'll give you a great successful project.
Fantastic. All right, so there you have it, some insight into EC payroll from a true expert, Bryan Meyers. For more information, connect with us on social media and visit invenioLSI.com, as well as hit that follow button on YouTube for more great videos from our practice directors. Until next time, I'm Alana Robbins, and thank you so much for watching.